Call your broker, sell your stocks. I have a better investment for you sitting right here. It's a 1970 Mustang Mach 1 428 Cobra Jet with the shaker hood, concourse restored. They started with a 38,000 actual mile car. We've got documentation, including the original invoice and the Marti Report. Actual VIN number match engine, completely concourse detailed top to bottom. Excuse me. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at all of our inventory, and each one will have a price tag along with the monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, so the body on this thing's amazing. Well, first of all, the fastback body style is just amazing by itself. Look at those lines. And this one here, absolutely straight, no funny business. I don't see any shrinking, cracking, problem areas. This is all excellent. There is a touch-up right here. Someone touched it up, a little nick. Color-matched racing mirrors, the roof line, all that excellent. No door dings, no bubbles, no rust, no damage. It all looks nice and straight. Lines up nice and square. All straight, clean, beautiful. Repainted its original color. Nice bright yellow. You want to know what they came up with for a name? Yellow. That's what Ford called it. All clean around the wheel wells and the doors and the roof line. Beautiful. It's like a mirror. It's like yellow glass. All in excellent condition. It's like a black mark kind of under the wiper. I think it might have chipped it at one time and been touched up. So only a couple little touch-ups, all that I'd seen. I might have missed something, but that's all I noticed. Has the black painted on stripe on the hood with the 428 call out. New hood locks. Cobra Jet on the ram air shaker. So that called the shaker because it shakes when the engine's running, and that is functional ram air. Not all of them had the Cobra Jet. The non-ram air cars were not Cobra Jet motors. All the chrome up front, the bumper, beautiful. We fixed the sport lamps. Each car goes through our shop for service. We spent $2,700 on this car, just going through, dialing it in. Horns, we actually rebuilt the rear end. It's a new 350 traction lock gear set, or ring and pinion in there, I should say. Correct antenna, all nice and shiny. All the moldings are excellent. All the glass is real nice and clear. All the chrome door handles, beautiful. The big wide rocker moldings are in excellent shape. This thing's decked out with the louvers and the spoilers. This is a decal stripe back here. The honeycomb panel is excellent. Look at the tail lights. Gas cap bumper, it's all sparkling. The reverse lights are sparkling. This is a good looking car. Now it's sitting on some chrome Magnum 500 wheels. Gorgeous wheel, they look good on anything. Wide oval reproduction Firestone tires. Still has the nubs on the tread. They haven't even been worn down yet. 38,000 actual mile car. I was told there's only 50 miles on it since it's been restored. So very fresh concourse restoration. Let's open it up. I'm going to show you the inside and that Cobra Jet. All right, I do want to point out I see a hairline crack that's right in the groove, just like a sidewalk's always going to crack right in the groove. It's just in the paint. I do need to point it out. Inside the trunk is beautiful, all glossy. Here's an assembly line marking. Here's the reproduction sticker, new weather strip. All smooth yellow paint, has the collapsible tire, the jack, the rest of the jack parts are in the bag, along with the horns. We replaced the horns, the originals are in there. And then I want to give you a peek of what it looks like under the mat. All nice, clean, painted yellow, new gas tank. So real nice trunk compartment, new latch. This is documented, like I said, with the Marti Report and the original invoice. dialed in, ready to drive and enjoy. Jams are beautiful, weather strips, window seals are replaced. This is a deluxe interior, which includes the molded door panels. These look like they're brand new, in excellent shape. The dash pad, all nice and new, and instrument panel looks great. And as I was sitting here, I noticed some of the wood grain decal around the edges isn't quite perfect. So at a glance, it looks good, but a little tacky around the edges. The knobs, the radio, the heater controls, all that looks to be in really great shape. The plastic kick panels, all the interior lights are working. Reproduction mats on top of the new carpet. The seat I'm sitting in feels nice and firm. Center console's in really nice shape. The upholstery's been redone on the high back bucket seats. There's pictures of that documentation on our website. The back seat reupholstered. Seat belts are in excellent shape. All the plastic trim is real nice. The rear shelf, all of it looks really great. Headliner, visors, mirror are all excellent. Even has the paper card over the visor. And this is the rim blow steering wheel. You squeeze the rim of it and it honks. So really nice interior. Very clean. It even smells clean, tidy. So this is the VIN number match motor. You have to look really hard on the back of the block. The VIN number is there. Rarely do I find the VIN number on Shelby's and Mach 1s. Maybe 1 out of 10 that come through here. So this is the VIN number match motor. I did just read that the Cobra Jet motor has actual stronger webbing in the motor. This one runs beautifully. It's very well detailed. All the complete shaker hood assembly is all correct. Right down to, see the heat tube that goes down to the exhaust. That's always missing. It has the correct finned valve covers. Auto light spark plug wires. The correct markings. All the finishes are painted nice and smooth. New relay. Auto light sticker. Reproduction auto light battery. It's not just a topper, it's the actual battery. Has the smog equipment. That's always gone. Auto light hoses and clamps. The right shroud, the right cap. Has the Ford script washer fluid bottle. And all these little paint markings. It's all assembly line stuff. So when I say it's concourse, it's that type of stuff that makes it concourse. They come with power brakes. All painted up real nice, new fender bolts. So Caleb's going to take you for a drive. Hopefully he keeps it clean.
You guys are in for a treat. We are in the Mach 1. We're taking her around the block, proving to you that you can drive a classic car. They're not just to look at. This one was beautifully restored back to its originality, so it's going to drive like a classic. Even the tires on here, they're more old school tires, so you're going to feel the ride, but it feels solid. It's firm over the bumps. Steering's good on it. It's nice and sharp. Try the brakes here in a second. Oh, brakes feel amazing. Yeah, those feel really good. They're not pulling left or right. I don't feel it dragging at all, even when I let off. Turn signal lights up. Let's see if she cancels. Let's see what this beast has got. Oh yeah, screeching the tires. 0 to 60, no problem. Don't forget about that 428 decal on the hood. That's a big deal. And the Cobra Jet shaker hood. It's a beautiful car. This is a beautiful pony car. Love the louvers. I think these cars are the only car that it looks good on. That might just be my opinion though. But yeah, it feels really good. 60 miles an hour right over the bumps. Look at this, drives nice and straight. We serviced this car, we did about $3,000 worth of mechanical work to it, making sure that you don't have to when you pick it up. So everything should be in working order. Radio works. I know we are ordered, or a part is on order for the horn. I think the switch or some wiring for it. So that'll be fixed. The wipers work very nicely and they cancel. Yeah. Woo! Listen to that thing. It'll throw you back in the seat, guys. Listen. I know we re-geared the rear end. I don't remember exactly what ratio it is, so I'll have to check with the shop guys on that. But gee boogies, feels really good. The trans shifts real nice. So yeah, there you have it, the Mach 1.
Oh boy, the underneath of this car is beautiful, detailed again to concourse specs. When I use the word concourse, that means done to the factory condition. Concourse doesn't mean perfect, it means it's done to original standards. So anyway, it has the competition suspension as part of the Mach 1 package. All the front end steering and suspension looks brand new. It's not even dusty or greasy or anything. Rear suspension, same thing, that's rebuilt. All new fuel system, including the tank, the lines, correct reproduction exhaust system with the little H pipe, correct mufflers, correct chrome tips coming out the back. The brake system's completely redone, new e-brake cables, new brake lines, disc brakes in the front. They were drum in the back. You look up at the motor, it's just spotless Ford blue on the engine. All the components that you can see, the fuel pump, the starter, all that real nice and clean. It has a Motorcraft oil filter even. Has the original C6 automatic trans. It's a heavy-duty transmission. The tag is still attached to it. I looked up the codes. It comes back as a 1970 428 C6 automatic. It's specific to this car. Drive shaft looks real nice. Originally did come with a traction lock 350. That's what's in there now. We did open it up and replace the ring and pinion. They had to do something to the fuel gauge, a sensor or sending unit for the temp gauge we replaced. The speedometer worked, but it wasn't accurate. We recalibrated that. We gave it a front end alignment. So we go through the cars pretty thoroughly. I also wanted to mention it's the correct carburetor on there, the correct numbers, it's all restored. I was looking up the numbers, that carburetor is on eBay for $1,100. So it's got it. So it's a number match, documented, 428 R code, beautiful car. Someone's really going to enjoy owning this one. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how do you get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.